Welcome to today's video. Today's video I'm going to be teaching you guys how to get rid of something on a subject's face in Adobe Lightroom Classic. Now this is a third part of a three-part series on here on my YouTube channel, so you can check out yesterday and the day before that. Monday, Tuesday are the other times I uploaded a video on similar programs, but Adobe CC and Adobe Photoshop. So if you want to check out those, make sure to check those out if you're wondering how to do that in those programs. But now let's jump into Lightroom Classic to learn how to do this effect. Alright, now that we are in Adobe Lightroom Classic, I'm going to teach you guys how you can actually remove this little spot over here on my face. So pressing on the second button here, the spot removal tool, or pressing Q on your keyboard, you can see you have options of size, feather, and opacity of the effect that we're doing. So right here I'm just going to paint over it, and Adobe's going to do their magic, and they are going to find a place on my face that will replace the little marks that I had before. So now if we get rid of that again, now as you can see, it's not there. You can see the before, after. It's barely noticeable that it's there. Adobe did such a great magic tool thing that they do with their programs that they have, so that you don't even notice the change. If you never knew it was there, you wouldn't even notice that the change is there. So I hope you guys enjoyed how to clean up someone's face in Adobe Lightroom Classic, and I hope you guys use this tool to fix up your subjects and make them look great. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a like down below, comment down below, hit that subscribe and notification down below as well if you want to see more videos from me.